with Cathy's Garden, and I'm so excited that you joined me today. Today we're going to make and decorate some index cards or recipe cards, whichever you would like to call them. But first, let's have our shout out to Joyce, Debbie, Rockstar, Barbara, Christine, Nancy, and Linda. I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, you guys, I bought these quite a few years ago. I think I bought them at the Dollar Tree or dollar store, something like that. And when I purchased them, I coffee dyed them right away. Now they've got some images here that I really don't want. I'm going to get rid of those. So how I got rid of them was I covered quite a few of them with some dictionary pages. All right. Then the next step that I did was I took that and I rounded the corners and I inked. Okay, so now we have this, and this is going to be our base. I have some coffee dyed papers that I've rounded the corners and cut into some rectangles. I have some labels from Chapter 1 papers. I have some tabs I've cut out, a little bit of music paper, some more labels that I've made, and some butterflies I've fussy cut. So we're all ready to just start assembling some little index cards for our junk journals. So I'm going to begin with taking one of these tabs and just putting it right here on the front. Okay, now next let's see. I think I'm going to use this really long one. I like this long one. I don't know why. It's just talking to me. So I'm going to put it right, I think I'm going to put it right here. Kind of collaging. We're just randomly placing things here and there and making a little decoration, a little collage. I really do think that's what I would like to call it, is a collage, because I believe that's what it's going to look like when we're done. So I'm just going to randomly place the items that I have selected and I have prepped, and now I'm just combining them, and that makes your process very enjoyable and very easy to get some things done in what others call mass making. You can really do a lot at once when you prep. When you get things prepped, then you can really move it right along. This is very, very simple, but I do believe it's very pretty. And on the back side, you can do your journaling. I do need to ink this back part. I haven't done that yet. So there we go on our first one. Let's do another one very quickly. I have one all ready to go. Y'all, if you're enjoying my content, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. It really does help in my growth. And this is what I do now. I am a junk journal YouTube creator, and I come to see you every day with some new and exciting ideas for your junk journal. And on Sundays, we spread happiness. And we have a drawing every Sunday in which you can win Happy Mail from me to you, as my way is paying it forward. And so you can go to that video. You can find it in my playlist, and you can tell me your act of kindness, and that way you are entered into next Sunday's drawing. We really have lots of fun. Okay, and that is Hanky Panky Poo, and that poor little fella, he's old, and he is fussing, so I think I'm going to have to go let him out because he is old, and when he says it's time to go outside, you better believe it, he's not a foolin'. So I'm going to come right back. All right, you guys, here we go. We're back to it, and I'm going to make a little tiny bow. See, there's a hole right there in that tag, and I'm just going to make a small little bow, and then I'm going to attach it and glue it right on that hole so that, where are my scissors? Here they are. right there. I think that would be very nice. Put a little glue right in that hole. There we go. Just like that. Now I think this butterfly would be very pretty right here, so I'm going to attach this butterfly right here. So all of these supplies, except for the butterflies, well, no, I take that back. I did purchase this, and I purchased the printables. Everything else I made. So you can take cardstock and cover it with these dictionary pages and add a few things here and there. Now, how can you use these in a journal? You can attach this in a journal with paper clip. You can actually glue it onto the journal on 3 sides and make a front tuck. You can glue it on these 3 sides and make a side tuck. Or you can add some washi tape and you can make it be a flip. So there's lots of different ways that you can use these. I hope you enjoyed this video because I enjoyed being with you, and I'd love to see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.